Is your mouse cursor or pointer lost all of a sudden? Here is part 2 of the basic navigation and Windows management tips you can do with just your keyboard. Number 1. Press Alt plus F4 to close the current window. Number 2. Press Ctrl plus F4 to close the current tab or window in some applications. Number 3. Press the Windows plus arrow left to snap the window to the left side of the screen. Number 4. Press the Windows plus arrow right to snap the window to the right side of the screen. Number 5. Press the Windows plus home to minimize all windows except the current one. Number 6. Press the Windows plus tab to open Task View to see all open apps and desktops. Number 7. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del to open Security Options menu. Number 8. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus and to create a new folder in File Explorer. Number 9. Press Alt plus Enter to open the properties of a file or folder. In case you don't know what you can adjust in the properties of a file or folder. This will be explained in one of our subsequent videos, so subscribe and turn on your notification button so you don't miss out when it is posted. Number 10. Press the Windows plus P to open the Projector menu. Number 11. Press the Windows plus X to open the Quick Link menu. Number 12. Press Ctrl plus West to close the current window or tab. Thanks for watching. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.